Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So on today we're going to be doing actually a Dr. Squatch haul because my brother got a whole bunch of Dr. Squatch soap.
Squatch.
So
Like Sasquatch.
yeah, we're just going to do an unboxing. Well, it's actually already open, but you want to tell everybody a little bit about this Dr. Squatch and what made you decide to buy it?
Alright. I'm sure you guys are aware Dr. Squatch has a reputation. They are a brand designed to make soap for men that not only makes us smell better, but actually moisturizes and takes better care of our skin. And they use natural substances. Like the normal soap you would use that you get at a convenience store was actually designed to clean dishes, appliances, household things. So it wasn't precisely made with the thought of taking good care of your skin in general. So I decided to invest in a few flavors myself just to step your boy's game up a little bit. So I wanted to share my experience with you alongside my sis. So I'll have my sis present the flavor and we'll then review it. Sam?
For the first one, we have the Cedar Citrus by Dr. Squatch, and it looks like this. This one's orange, and it says that it's a Cedar Citrus, so...
It's got like an oak smell. Like you could smell the woods.
Yeah, this one smells just like pine, outside with trees. These soaps are made to smell natural, right? So they're not made to smell like detergent or... The purpose of them is to smell like you are outside.
Gives you that little outdoor feel. It's got all the sweetness of sap, but none of the sticky. It's not bad. It's got no harsh chemicals, handcrafted. It's recyclable. Made by 5 natural oils.
What are the natural oils?
It doesn't precisely say, but it has a little bit of coconut in there.
Let me see. Oils of olive, palm, coconut, shea butter, lye, essential oils of orange, cedar, rosemary, sea salt, and kaolin clay. And these probably differ a little bit from soap to soap, but those are the main components. So these are really natural soaps made with natural oils. So
alright, and that's just the first one. On to the next flavor. Sam?
So the next one is going to be Crisp Ipa.
IPA.
That one looks like that. It's red and you can smell it.
This is literally what it looks like right there. That's the word right there. So, oh, hot dog. Whew. I don't know if you guys are IPA fans, but yeah, it's got the tang. Like you feel like you really just taking a whiff from the glass itself. Like,
let me see.
It smells like a good, well-filled glass of IPA. I'm not saying you're going to get a buzz, but I'm telling you, you're going to feel like you just poured yourself a couple cups.
This smells very outdoorsy. Kind of fruity at the same time.
Smells like you just hit the bar and someone just poured you a nice cold one. But you're taking your time with it. You're not just juggling it down.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's good. Very upbeat. It's got a little bit of spice in there.
Yeah, very active scent, I think.
On to the next one.
What's the next one?
Here you are.
Deep Sea Goat's Milk. This one is blue. Okay. And let's give that one a whiff.
Not bad. I'd say it's some kind of awkward tang to it. Like aqua, not awkward. Aqua tang. Like, it feels like deep sea, but not like, marine. It just aquatic.
I smell the milky vibe of it all. Still smells really outdoorsy, but a little bit more toned down than the other two I've smelled. Very nice.
Very nice indeed. On to the next one. Here you are.
The next one is the Bay Rum by Dr. Squatch. This one's super cool. It's in brown lettering and
here we go. Bay Rum. Alright, this one's got some spice to it. Like cinnamon spice. It's very sweet, succulent.
It does have a sweet tang to it. Very cinnamon. I can smell the cinnamon and I can kind of smell that rum vibe to it. I mean, it definitely smells like a drink.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it smells like a drink to me.
Definitely. On to the next one. Here we go. Now this one's a mouthful.
Eucalyptus Greek yogurt.
I can't believe you read that though.
Isn't that so cool? Oh wait, hold on.
No, I still pause that you read that. Oh wow. Okay, so this one got a hint of spice, but like something else there. Like it's got that little
Minty.
It's got, yeah. There you go. That's what I couldn't.
It's very spearminty. I actually don't smell a lot of yogurt, but the eucalyptus is very bright. That's what we're smelling.
Ah, I see. Wow.
It's really minty.
Yeah, definitely. I think the eucalyptus takes the toll. I think it's more like after usage you probably get more of the other flavors. But yeah, like that's the real kick right out of it. All right, brace yourself. I don't think y'all ready for this one. I mean that.
And this one is Irish cream and whiskey. So cool. Okay, so first swatch.
All right. Now, I don't know if y'all enjoy St. Patty's, but like, it smells like St. Patty's Day to a T. It's got this hint of whiskey, a good sense of spice, a patch of nature, and just some other flavor that just makes you want more. I kid you not.
It is a creamy scent, still outdoorsy. I think all these are in the theme of being outdoorsy. But this one is creamy and it kind of has that, I don't know, that look of the Irish kick to it. I don't know.
Uh-huh. I mean, I ain't wearing green, but I feel it in my soul. Got that pep in my step. You feeling lucky? Yes. You smell lucky? You're damn right. I'm about to, bro. I don't think you know. On a real serious note, like, this has a very interesting scent that, like, sticks. It's like, if you were to smell someone with this on walking past you, you'd be like, what was that?
These do seem to be really vibrant in scent, and I do see them lasting, like, outside of just the initial bath or shower. This one does smell really good. Do you want to show them what else is in here and what all these other things are for?
Well, when I got these, I decided to at least get a little bit of good prep equipment. I got a little soap gripper. Got little rods in the back, so I pretty much pierce the soap brick, and I pretty much have something I can hold it easier and use it.
Oh, so these grippers are actually, they go in the back of the soap?
So then I can use the handle on the front side to just carry it, rub it.
Wow. Interesting.
This is a little soap holder.
Oh.
Yeah, that way I can take my time using it.
This is a wooden soap holder. It has ridges on it.
It's even labeled right here. They got a little brand right there.
And it says Dr. Squatch on the side. So these are the two accessories that came with all our soaps. And these are all our soaps.
If you guys go onto their website, you can get a little discount if you join as a membership for first time orders. That's what I did to get this little offer right here. A little bit over 50, practically 51 tops.
Alright, you guys. Well, these were all our soaps from Dr. Squatch haul, or all your soaps, Ryan's soaps. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul that we have for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Take care. Dr. Squatch knows what he's doing.